If we want to solve the problems of the world, we need to be united. We have to believe that humankind is just one family, and we are the children of one family. We are like the flowers of one garden, of different colors, different perfume or shape, but we belong all to the garden of humanity. And this is very important that everybody believes in it.
Words are very easy to say, but actions require efforts, sometimes even sacrifice. And so action is very important. And even at the end, he said that the prison is for the body, but the spirit has no prison. So I hope that we will be able to follow his example.
Turishimye cyane, murakoze. Turishimye. Tuzabonana ejo.
Okay, thanks. Ahmed?
So I was using to say to my driver or motorbike, ibumoso, iburgio, imbere. Okay? There are many words, because when you greet people, Uramutse, mirwe, makuru, murogo baraho, abana baraho, so all these words, murio hergue, very important when you eat. So there are these words.
Okay.
Ashkida.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is P. Onika Suez. This is Legacy TV. Thanks to everyone who makes subscription from Northern Province, Southern Province, Eastern Province, Kigali City, and diaspora from Europe, Asia, America, South Africa, and all over the world. So thanks a lot for you. Here we are at our friends, whom we got from Bahai's house when we were at the events. So we visited them for making a simple or a short conversation, for being happy or teach you about Baha'is as a simple one. Firstly, let me get them. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are fine.
Yeah, I'm doing well.
Okay. So how do we call you or your name?
Nisa.
Nisa.
Yes.
You have a good name.
Thank you.
Let me go to my dad. Dad, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Very, very fine.
Yes, of course.
Of course. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
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 My friend or my mom, how are you?
Murakoze cyane.
I think they know your name.
Hiyede, my name is Hiyede.
Hiyede.
Yes.
You become a superstar.
No. Thank you.
Okay. So, firstly, thanks to you for inviting us. We are more happy. So, we are going to talk about some things on Baha'is or the spirit or holy lighting. Do you have something you can tell Rwandans about Baha'is? Let me firstly start on my friend or my dad, Ahmed.
Sure. Not only for Rwandans, but for whole humanity.
Whole humanity.
Yeah, maybe, and the message is that this humanity has to change and has to go through more spiritual aspect of the life, and maybe try to be moderate in the material life.
Nisa.
Nisa, do you have something to tell them?
About the Baha'i faith.
Yeah.
So the Baha'i faith is a world religion. It's for everybody. It's a religion, an independent religion that believes in the unity of mankind, the unity of God, the unity of religion. So we are all one.
My friend, you talked more, but now I know you have also something to tell them. So you can?
Yeah, with pleasure. I would like to talk about unity. If we want to solve the problems of the world, we need to be united. We have to believe that humankind is just one family, and we are the children of one family. We are like the flowers of one garden, of different colors, different perfume or shape, but we belong all to the garden of humanity. And this is very important that everybody believes in it.
So I have here a proverb called Ahmed. I think you know also Latin.
Not really,
Not really.
but some things.
Okay. I have a proverb called.
But I know Farsi. You know Farsi? Farsi is the language of the Iranian.
Iranian.
Yeah, it's called Farsi. So if you have something in Farsi, we can discuss.
Okay, let me say in English.
Okay, let's go for English.
For English, actions speak louder than words.
Wow.
Do you believe in it, Nisa?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yes, I do.
How can you prove it, Ahmed?
How I can
Prove it.
prove it?
Yeah.
If God helps me, I will prove it through my life.
That's it?
Yes, because words are very easy to say, but actions require efforts, sometimes even sacrifice. And so action is very important.
Okay. So, in simple words, Nisa, how can you describe, like in 1 minute, Abdul Bahai?
Nice question. So in simple words, I'll say he is the perfect exemplar. So Abdul Baha means servant of Baha. He's the servant of God. And all Baha'is look up to him as the exemplar. So we try to live our lives like he lived his. But of course, we'll not go an inch close, but is that personage that we always look up to try to emulate, to try to see if we are meeting up standards. So yeah, I think that is how I would describe Abdul Baha.
Okay. Hiyede, do you have something to add?
Well, what I learned also from Abdul Baha, that he tried to teach us that we have to find balance between our spiritual and material life. Our identity is spiritual, but we live in this world and we have to try to have a balance and harmony between our physical body, our mind, and our spirit.
Okay. My dad,
Yes.
you have something?
About what?
What Abdul Bahai?
Abdul Baha, of course. I love Abdul Baha. I love the life he had. He was imprisoned for almost the entirety of his life. And even at the end, he said that the prison is for the body, but the spirit has no prison. So I hope that we will be able to follow his example.
Okay, that's good. So let's review this and talk about this. Last time, Hiyede told me you live in Uganda 35 years. What are good things have you ever seen in Uganda?
Oh, so we need maybe 5 hours to explain to you, because in 1 minute, no, even less. No, we love Rwanda first because of Rwandans. We love the way of living, the way of thinking. We find very nice people, and also we are learning about the culture. And when you learn about the culture, you also love more, because you understand why people are acting in a way or in another way. And then, of course, it's a beautiful country, and it's very nice.
Yeah, thanks. Lisa,
Yes.
how many time or how long to live in Uganda?
Almost 3 years.
1 year.
Almost
1 year.
3 years.
3. Okay, so what good things have you ever seen in Uganda?
Good things. I'll say the people first before the things. I mean, maybe it's just a reputation, but of course, I think Rwandans are very welcoming. I mean, from my experience, it has been really nice. And things, obviously, Rwanda is a beautiful and clean country. So, yeah.
Have you seen gorilla?
So not like I love animals, but I'm a little bit scared. So I've not had the opportunity to go and maybe check out the park. I know there's a,
Park,
yeah, I've not been there yet.
Okay. So this question brings me on this one. You taught me you like our culture, you like our country. So everyone in through of you, one, he or she going taught me like some words in ikinyarwanda, you know. Let me start on my friend Hiyede.
turishimye cyane murakoze
One more.
turishimye
One more.
tuzabonana ejo.
Okay, thanks. Ahmed.
So I was using to say to my driver or motorbike, ibumoso, iburgio, imbere. Okay.
One more.
There are many words because when you greet people, Uramutse, mirwe, makuru, murogo baraho, abana baraho, so all these words, murio hergue, very important when you eat. So there are these words.
Okay. My friend.
Okay, so there's a word, I mean, it's more like an exclamation that I like. It's like man away. It means like God and imana. I mean, yeah, the greetings, miriwe. And then I also do like nangai or something because I always take moto. So, yeah.
You know the one called dance?
Dance. No.
No? It's also a declamation. Not accepting thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I have here a sentence called I want you to be happy, to laugh, smile and rejoice in order that others may be made happy by you. It was written or said by Abdul Baha. Is there anyone who can translate it in Kinyarwanda? Me? Okay. Me? Okay, oh my God. I want you to be happy. Like, nshaka ko wishima, ugaseka. Then, what meaning of rejoice? Okay. Nundi bishatse kuvuga guseka nundi kwishima cyane. Nyene kubikorera abandi ugomba kuba wishimye buri gihe kuko bituma abandi bawe nabo bishima kandi bakanakwishimira. Ibyo ni bimwe mu byo Abdul Baha yavuze. So, by ending our conversation, I have one challenge. Nessa.
You are lucky, you have only one. We have hundreds of challenges.
So, Nessa, can you repeat skronyenye?
Skronyenye.
Skronyenye. Okay. Ahmed, how am I going to challenge you? Let me challenge.
Anyway, I won my challenge, right?
Yeah.
Good, okay.
You did it. For Ahmed, you're gonna repeat tout ce que je sais, ce que je sais que je ne sais rien.
Rien. Rien.
Rien.
Oui.
Okay.
Ashkida.
Okay. My friend Hiyede, we're gonna say que ton nom soit sanctifié.
Keto,
Que ton nom soit sanctifié.
keto,
Que ton nom soit sanctifié.
keto 68.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Or we're gonna say que ton règne vienne. Do you know what I mean?
No, you have to tell me first the meaning.
Que ton règne vienne.
Uh-huh.
In Kinyarwanda say ubwami bwawe buze. So your kingdom come.
Ah,
kingdom come.
may your kingdom come.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
So, thanks for your time. How can I say in your language in Iranian language? Giving a thanks.
Give me what?
Thanks.
How can I say? Yeah.
Mutashakkiram. Mutashakkiram.
Yes, sir.
Mutashakiram.
Okay. So, for you who can't watch our conversation, Mutashakkiram.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Rakoze.
So God bless you. Let's do like this. So thank you all who watched Legas TV. Make subscription on our channel. God bless you.